Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a Google account and a verified phone to proceed. Once ready, open Chat. Google, Com or Gmail and choose Chat. If you don't have an account, create one now. Enter name, email, strong password, and complete phone verification so account recovery works. Make sure to pick personal versus workspace at sign-up because settings differ. After signing in, click Chat in the left column and notice the interface. This first action gets you into conversations and spaces, so you can start creating messages right away. Once in Chat, configure your profile so people recognize you. Update name, add a photo, and set a present status. Then create or join spaces. Click New Space, add a name, invite participants by email, or share a link. This groups conversations and files. Make sure notifications are enabled on desktop and mobile, and adjust Do Not Disturb hours so alerts match your work rhythm. Also link Chat with Gmail and Drive for threaded messages and quick file sharing, which speeds up collaboration. To finish, review chat settings. Confirm message history, retention policies, and whether threads are grouped. These affect search and records. Next, secure your account by enabling two-step verification in your Google account and check app permissions so third-party access is controlled. Make sure you install the mobile and desktop apps for full functionality. If something goes wrong, like messages not syncing, clear the app cache, ensure the app is updated, and sign out then back in. This usually resolves sync or permission hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.